Man, win, lose, or draw, man. You gotta catch them all, though.
Ooh, 27 Club.
Win, lose, or draw like Pokemon, I gotta catch them all. I don't need no pistol. Win, lose, or draw like Pokemon, I gotta catch them all. From the shoulders, I'm official. Win, lose, or draw, you live to see them all. Put down the blicky, put down the blicky.
What's gonna go down today, man?
Home mamas get jiggy, throw hands, don't blame. Home mamas get jiggy.
In a real way, man. Somebody finna get hit on that snooze button. You know what I'm saying? Who gonna get hit on that snooze button today, Brodusky? Oh, whiskey. Hey, y'all see that water heater right there? I done put in like 1,000 of them up. You know what I'm saying?
What's good, YouTube? It's ABR, buddy, and we back with another video. We doing Last to Get Knocked Out, part 2.
Hey, it's your Brodusky, Aaron the Plumber, in a real way, man. Hey, put the guns down, gloves up, you know what I'm saying, squabble up. Somebody finna get put on their pockets, man, in a real way, though.
In a real way, all right? So, look, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
Aaron the Plumber, never been a coward, I don't need no gun. I ain't chasing no power, but I fuck with 50 Cent, trying to earn a spot on power. Horsepower on the torch, I don't use it, I got hands.
Shit, turn me up, we finna go up, part 2.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe, or you ain't qualified, man, in a real way, though.
All right, let's get it. All right, so, if you trying to, you know what I'm saying, you can make a matchup right now if you trying to.
Okay, who all,
so far we got
getting jiggy, man.
How many you got?
You know what I'm saying?
No, we gonna wait,
Okay.
Bro, this nigga talking about he here to 2:15.
2:15, what time is it?
It's 1:55.
Okay.
Like, that's another 20 minutes.
Okay, so what we waiting on? You know what I'm saying? We can get this. For the lineups?
Yeah.
Oh, man, that's a bad look.
That is the
You know what
bad
I'm saying? We want to put something hard on him for showing up late. You feel me? We're going to put something hard on him, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, who really in here ready to hit, though, man?
You know he ready. Hey, look, you know he ready. He was here part 1, you know what I'm saying? Y'all show him love.
In a real
You know what I'm saying?
He double back for some more. I remember bro was doing this thing last time. You know what I'm saying? In a real way though. Fearless though. You see what the shirt say, man? He ain't playing though, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else pulled up fearless with it though? Yeah, okay, bro got his hand up, man. You know what I'm saying? He the only one? You the only other one? Okay.
It's only 1, 2, and 3.
Where the other one? You know what I'm saying? He only 2 hands up. Huh? Oh, for sure. Oh, okay. Okay, we got 3.
What's good, YouTube? It's AB Hardbody, and we back with another video. Last to Get Knocked Out, part 2, featuring
Your Brodusky, Aaron the Plumber, man. You know what I'm saying? Put down the guns, come here, squabble up, man, like a real man. You know what I'm saying? They finna get jiggy in a real way, though.
Last to Get Knocked Out, part 2, you know? So look, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn me up in a real way.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe, or you ain't qualified, Brodusky.
His face, I'd rather bruise it. Left hook, kaboom him. Haymaker. Hit that nigga how you get. He got content creator hands. I'm a plumber, so you know I got rough hands. Ask the Shake Frost, ask the twins. Ask Trigger, I hit hard as hell. Line it up if you need it. Don't be reaching for your gun. That's what bitch niggas do. I ain't paying for no shooters. That's what bitch niggas do. If you really got a problem, line it up. We can squabble. That's what real niggas do. You a real nigga? Between the hours 10 and 2. I'm a real black man. The love is bulletproof. I love my people. Got a lesson to teach.
I don't think he ready. I don't think he ready. He ready to bump, but canvas nigga.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. This nigga.
Y'all two right here.
Alright. Who the next one?
And them two.
These two?
Yeah.
Alright, and then them two?
Yeah, these
Okay.
two. Yeah.
Alright, so who wanna fight first?
I go first.
In a real way. Hey, they finna get jiggy, man. You know what I'm saying? Both of them seem like they got some animosity. Hey, we finna see what it do, though.
We finna see what it do.
In a real way, though.
In a real way.
Draw like Pokemon, I gotta catch them all. I don't need no pistol. Win, lose, or draw like Pokemon, I gotta catch them all. From the shoulders, I'm official. Win, lose, or draw, you live to see them all. Put down the blicky, throw hands, don't blame. Home mamas get jiggy, throw hands.
underestimate no man, you know what I'm saying?
You wanna know the resume?
You know what I'm saying? You don't underestimate no
Finna
man.
get into this.
Finna see in a real way.
Alright, so look, we're going 3 rounds, 1 minute rounds, and Aaron gonna be deciding the winner. Alright? So after y'all bump, y'all gonna reach up to Aaron to decide the winner.
Straight.
You gonna tighten up your 10 strap, Pete?
Wait, hold on. Don't even worry about it.
Hey, hold on, man.
Alright, so look,
How many,
we're going 3 rounds,
alright,
1 minute rounds.
1 minute round.
Alright? And y'all gonna both get a 1 minute break after each round, alright?
Alright, man, y'all touch gloves, man.
Hey, yeah, hold on. Y'all so ready to bump. Y'all ain't ready to bump yourself, man. Do y'all know each other or something?
They finna get to know each other.
Hey, but no, look, hold on. Real quick. Look into the camera and introduce yourself.
My name Key, my ID key back in. I put belt your ass in the real way, you feel me? So we gonna get this busting, come on.
In a real way, you heard it.
My name Hot Boy Bank. I'm your international silver medalist, youth male fighter. That's all you need to know.
Oh, no, we might need to.
I said no professional.
Professional, I'm an amateur.
I got nothing but jail squad.
Alright, so look.
What's that? Silver medalist.
Alright, so look. Hey,
Hey, brother, I work. Mama.
hold on. You can get into it. Alright, so look. Before we start, I just want y'all to touch gloves. Let's clear this animosity real quick.
All up.
Alright? We finna get this shit started. Let's go. Let's start it. 8. Break.
Okay.
I told you tighten your 10 strap.
Here you go. Stop, bro.
Hydrated, brother?
Y'all got 43 seconds.
Nah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. That's what I wanted to get.
Straight.
Alright, y'all ready? Alright, let's get it. 20 seconds.
Alright.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, round.
You breathing hard, buddy.
Shit.
You got another 2 rounds, Keith. You better breathe, brother.
Alright,
You gotta breathe, brother.
Y'all got a minute.
Deep waters is the motherfucker.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
I get jiggy, man. You know what I'm saying? That was a good round right there. I don't even know my
You wanted that hair gear on?
It fell on the floor.
We got another one.
No, I got new ones.
Nah, it's bothering his breathing. It's bothering his breathing.
Come on, let's run it.
A minute
I
break.
don't want no
Alright,
more.
y'all, look, hold on, y'all. Y'all still got 20 seconds, bro. Y'all too hype. Y'all too hype. Y'all need to. Y'all know each other or something?
Hey, no, I'll live for this. My mama, come on.
Alright, hold on. 15 seconds, y'all. 15 seconds.
Are you leaving?
I'm on that. This ain't doing nothing.
2 more rounds.
Alright, let's get it. Round 2.
Ready?
Touch gloves. Alright, let's get it.
8.
Nigga, come on, bro.
Hold on. We going. We live.
All right, hey.
Reset up.
Okay.
I'm trying to do them motherfuckers. Hey, you weak as hell, boy. Hey, hold on. Hey, you weak as hell. Put your mouthpiece in, nigga.
Come on, bro. Come on.
You really weak,
All right, y'all ready?
Y'all ready?
Hey,
Let's go.
Combos.
17.
Combos.
hey, talk with them hands. Talk with them hands, man. Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Hey, this is on that count right here.
Y'all got a minute.
Water.
What's getting hot, brother?
Hey, this the one that count right here, man.
Hey, this bitch last to get knocked out, not last time boxing nigga though.
What gym you go to?
No, you know. They not no friends.
All right, man. This the one that count, man.
All right, man. This the last round. Round 3. This the money round. All right.
Right now.
We got 1 minute. Round 3. Y'all go ahead and touch gloves. Touch gloves. All right, let's start it. Let's get it.
This the one that count, man.
Get it in there.
Okay. Stay on it.
Block.
He getting tired.
Come on now.
Break. Y'all got 27 seconds. 27 seconds, all right?
27. All right,
All right,
hey.
let's get it.
Hey.
This nigga baby tight.
All right.
Break. 15 seconds.
Hey.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Good shit.
Hey.
All right, so Aaron, who you
In
think
a
got
real
that?
way, okay, man. I think this was a hell of a fight. Very entertaining, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna give it to Brody right here. He was a busier fighter. But you definitely did your shit in a real way, bro. Definitely did your big one right now. Hey, boss.
All right, so let's get on to fight number 2. I want to see you. Let's get it.
Hey, good shit. Bro, my mama, bro. My mama,
that was
bro
good.
got a heart. Bro got a heart like your mom, too.
For sure.
My mama got a heart, bro. And
it.
did your shit.
Oh, mama, you already. All right, so look. We finna get into the second fight, all right? So go ahead and introduce yourself to the camera. Let them know your age, your name, your IG.
Yeah, 28 much _ I'm 23. You'll see.
You'll see. My boy, go ahead and introduce yourself to the camera.
I'm Jonathan. I'm 19.
All right, Jonathan, he 19. You already know.
Hey, put the guns down, man, and get jiggy, man. You know what I'm saying? I know real way.
All right.
We'll catch up.
Don't say that out loud no more, my killer.
Nobody heard
All right, so
me.
look, y'all go ahead and
Hey, bro, somebody gotta wipe these gloves off.
they got disinfectant wipes here, I think.
Yeah, bro, wipe these gloves off.
Fight number 2. Together with fight number 2, all right? All right, y'all go ahead and touch gloves. All right, y'all ready?
1 minute.
All right, let's get it. For the bump. Let's get it. A minute. Wait, hold on. All right, so look, y'all ready?
All right, where's the time at?
We 9 seconds in.
All right.
Y'all got 51 seconds to go. A long 51. All right, y'all ready?
Y'all ready? All right.
Touch them up. Let's touch them up. All right, let's get it.
Yeah. Good job, man. Damn! Come on. John, come forward now. Get him out of here. He don't even want to be here. Push him.
Oh, no.
Headgear. It's definitely his headgear. Hey, it's the back of the head. Hey, it's the back of the head. Yeah.
It's the.
I'm tired, bro.
Stop playing. Y'all talking all that shit. The finale. We gonna have to see some real bumping, nigga. What y'all talking about?
You tired?
Nah, he ain't tired. He just waking up. Ready to go back to sleep though.
Hey, bro, we got 20 seconds left. All right, ready? 20 seconds. All right, y'all ready?
Y'all ready? Eat.
All right, let's get it. Clock going. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
My head's here.
7. Oh, they not.
You're on head.
I think y'all need to go.
His hair keeps slipping.
They might have to take that motherfucker off.
I like that.
All right, so look.
The headgear help.
I was about to say, if it was me, I would have took the cap off, brother.
Yeah.
And then
I
tighten
think
it.
the cap makes it slip.
Hey, throw him in this one.
Keep going.
The whole time I'm here doing it all.
Hey, this one's small.
Oh yeah, you want to use this one? You want to use this one?
Put this one on.
That's way better. Trust me.
Whole time I should have cut it off.
It might be.
I mean, we only one round in. Don't trip. You know what I'm saying? This only one round. Don't trip.
Y'all be generous.
It's this right here. What about this piece? It buckle up?
Yeah, Buck, I got you, Bus. It's buckle. I'm bull my
Try to loosen like. What?
You good? It's a new mouthpiece. It's a new mouthpiece.
Oh, thank you. Hold on, bro.
Where the mouthpiece is at?
The motherfucker crushed his Adam's apple.
That shit hurt. Nigga can't breathe.
What other mouthpiece at?
Right here. It's a new one right here. New mouthpiece right here.
Appreciate it, man.
I got you.
You got enough for everybody?
How the fuck you looking at shit?
What we say was it?
Come back and be
You
crazy.
got to put it in.
I'm gonna
be real. We might as well call that the round because we only got 5 seconds.
A lot can happen in 5 seconds though. As you can see.
What gym you go to, bro? Top rank? You're so hard. Who you be sparring? Bowler? Tight shit.
That's a long minute. Don't catch no cramp.
Did you untie the head?
Bro, take his mouth.
Alright. Y'all ready? Round 2. We got round 2, alright? Go ahead and touch gloves, man. Touch gloves so we can get the time started. Alright, go ahead and touch them up. Touch them up. Alright, let's get it.
Alright, 8. Don't wait, get busy, man.
Time. Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Oh, man, y'all tripping. Almost grade, y'all tripping. Oh, my God.
Hey, that ain't a part of the job description.
Hey, wait, hold on. No. No. Listen. You know how when you watch wrestling and they say, don't try this at home, these are trained professionals?
Yeah.
These veterans. Look. I said that I'm still gonna let y'all fight, but I'm just saying.
Oh, street, I'm not making no complaints.
Oh, you can tell how you fight. This is street.
For sure. This is street nigga for sure.
I'm in the box with you.
No, but I'm just saying, these they throwing them in a real way.
Hey, we just call each other technically. I text every day.
Okay, I'm not throwing no excuses.
No,
That's
look,
all. I'm not throwing no excuses. I'm in here.
Real hard. We got 40 seconds left, all right?
Somebody gotta get their mouthpiece, bro.
It's the ref job.
The referee is significant bonus. In a real way. That's what I wanted to contract, man. I can't think of no mouth guard.
Hey, you gotta bite down, brother. You gotta bite down. You got it.
No, pour some water on it.
That's what she was trying to do.
We making YNs great again. They throwing it.
No excuses.
Oh yeah, he got hard all day, for sure. Cause I wouldn't fight that nigga.
He said you boxing straight shot.
Hell no, oh God. He finna, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's get it, man. We got 40 seconds left. Brother, got
Don't stop.
We got 15 seconds.
Hey, it's the headgear, brother. It's the headgear.
10, 9, you got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round.
Imagine.
Hey, it's the last round, round 3. Y'all got a minute break apiece.
Oh, whiskey, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm seeing all type of haymakers and things. I don't know what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Brad might change the weather with this
Lock it happen in 5 seconds. You see it?
You know what I'm saying?
Lock it happen in 5 seconds.
Go ahead and quote me on that.
You feel me? But hey, you gotta give bro his, you know what I'm saying, respect. He got heart. He in here fighting.
Hey, bro, ain't got the face. He ain't got it, man. You know what I'm saying?
On me, let's get it, man. Round 3.
It's the one that's down.
All right.
Good shit, man.
You up here.
In a real way.
Look.
It does keep that shit.
Y'all doing good, fellas.
You throwing them motherfuckers. Wow. That nigga said he 19. What's that movie with Will Smith? He said, nigga, you at least 30. That's what I said. Like, goddamn. What they feeding you?
Cabbage and rice, man. Cabbage and pivot and juvie like kids.
Nah. All right, vegetables. What you talking about?
Straight fish.
Alright, so look. Round 3. Alright? We got round 3. 1 minute. Go ahead and touch each other up for the last round, and we finna get into it. Alright, let's get it. Last minute. Last minute.
Pause.
Clock ticking.
Hey, don't wait on him. Get busy. Don't wait on him.
Come right above that lead hand. Right above that lead hand.
There you go!
That was right on
Hey, hold on. We got 35 more seconds.
But you saved it. You would save it.
I'm not stopping it no more. We got 35 seconds.
Somebody get hit or hit. Wait. No.
Man,
no,
it's him. It's him.
Keep going, man.
Check it. You don't want to pay the man for it. You save it.
I'm not stopping.
You put a bet what the parlay is, man. You trying to leave him stinking.
Oh God! I'm putting myself in the fighter shoes. Stop it! Nigga, this beat, stop that shit! Oh,
Red job to stop it. He ain't
all right, look. We finna get into it, man. We got 35 seconds left.
No, you got it.
Oh, you got it?
You got it.
You got it? Oh, okay. No, that's hard. That's hard.
Y'all need a professional. Y'all know
You're not professional. You're not, no. That's not how you do it. We're not professional though.
Huh?
Hey, if we was professional, you gotta look at something.
I did a show out there, bro.
This nigga working at his balance.
All right.
I knew something. I feel something cold. Some spray. I'm like, oh no, you done fucked up.
I'm trying to study a phone.
All right, so
Don't drink too much water.
we got him moving on to the next round. He said they sweaty. He said them motherfuckers sweaty.
Hey, you just got those?
What?
You just got those?
They just bought them. Did you just buy them today?
What the gloves?
Yeah. Hey, go ahead and come on.
Yeah.
That's bad glove now. I feel like you know something. You know something.
I don't know that.
I feel like you know something, man.
I don't know. My name is Bennett, and I'm not in it.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah, nah, you definitely know something. Nah, alright.
His name Benny. He knows something.
All right, shit. We finna get into it.
Oh yeah, this shit.
I want to see him.
Nah, I'm
Now,
see these two.
I want to see y'all too.
Yeah, nah, for real. Yeah, them two.
Them two?
These two.
Well, bro, gotta win this one.
Nah, shit.
In a real way.
You know what I'm saying? In a real way, man. All right, man. Y'all touch gloves. Hey, we only touch gloves one time in the beginning, and after that, man, stay focused, man.
All right, you heard it here first.
In a real way. Stay focused, man.
Oh wait, hold on. Introduce yourself to the cameras right there. Introduce yourself to that camera.
Mark Galley for Leggy.
What did he say?
Don't drop the mouth.
California.
In a real way.
My name's Jalen. I'm from Vegas.
There we go.
Okay.
There we go.
All right, let's get into it, man. Like you say, we only touching gloves the first round. After that, protect yourself at all times, all right?
All times, man. If he ain't busy, you know what I'm saying, he walking around, get on his noggin.
All right, so go ahead and touch him up. All right, we started. Let's get it. Clock ticking.
I'll tell you about that. Every time. What you mean by
Damn, he almost hit me.
Staying busy.
Off in the bomb. Get my dumb ass hit. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round.
Good shit.
Good work.
Good shit.
Good work. Make sure they get their waters. What the water is that? You want water again? No?
Boy, he don't need no water.
Yeah, he good.
Who was the busier fighter? Always.
I think we gotta wait till round 3.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely gotta wait till round 3.
I feel like something coming.
And make sure, look, you see.
Some need to come in.
Mario.
Nah, he definitely is. He tired.
Hey, listen.
All right, y'all ready for round 2? Y'all ready? Let me know.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Round 2.
Body.
Man, stop with all the passive aggressiveness. Get him up out of there.
Go to the body.
All right, top rank. Come on, man. Show him why it's top rank.
I'm trying to see what top rank is.
There you go. Stay back just like that. Don't lean forward.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round.
Good shit.
Round.
Good shit.
Stop leaning forward with your hips. You know what I'm saying? They should let me. You know? They should let me in. No, I still ain't eat them.
Yeah. They do.